Hello, everybody. This is going to be a sad video because I will say that I feel like I have gotten screwed over by a company that I invested in. The company's name is Cloudastructure, and I'm one of their investors, retail investors. So you know very well that we don't matter. I had seen that this company, after 6 years of waiting, had finally gone to the stock market. Began trading, I think it was January 30th or the 31st. It was one of those 2 days. It was that week. Well, the stock has lost almost all of its value already. But do you know why I'm making this complaint? It's not because I voluntarily held the stock and decided, well, this is going to go even higher. This baby's going to triple digits a share. No, I am angry because I never got my shares. And the thing is that I was looking it up and I was, chatting with AI and all, and there actually might be a legal claim against Cloudastructure because they did not ensure that people got their shares because according to SEC regulations, all shareholders must be treated equally. And I never got my shares because my shares were in a holding company. I think it was called Prime Trust, and then they went bankrupt, and then it was moved to Dealmaker, and then and so far they still haven't transferred my assets yet. So the thing is that now the stock, which had IPO'd at $50, which would have made me $83,000, not as a whole thing. So 83 minus 5, so a $78,000 profit, which would have been very needed considering the recession, the deep economic downturn that I'm in right now. No, then it lost most of its value. Now it's only at $9 after only having traded for like a week and a half. And this is what sincerely bothers me about like this whole situation because I never got my share, so therefore I was not treated equally. So I went ahead and emailed both investor support and the investors email. They had two different like investor um, emails that you can contact with issues. I sent something in writing to them, said, "Hey, I never got my shares. I couldn't participate in the market, so you may or may not be out of compliance with SEC regulations." So far, they have not responded to me, and I'm extremely upset about this because this was the very first time that I would have actually made enough money, because I would have sold the day of, I'm not stupid. I would have just sold and walked away. But now I'm locked in to a company that has lost. I don't know percentages off the top of my head, but the company lost like 75% of its value as a result of the path that Cloudastructure has taken. And I have not been treated fairly under the law because my shares are not in my brokerage account as of yet. My shares are not due until Tuesday, February 11th. And the issue now is that I can't even sell for a good price and a good profit because Cloudastructure went public without me even getting my shares. So I sent an inquiry to the SEC this morning, very early, about 7 o'clock, and I put my name on it. It's like, hey, I'm not saying this to hurt the company because I wanted Cloudastructure to IPO for way higher. I wanted Cloudastructure to be at like $500 a share. I wanted it to be like that. And I sent them saying, I'm inquiring, is this legal? Because I got screwed over and I still don't have my shares. So far, to the point of me writing it, it was at $13. So I said I have a 61 or $63,000 loss, and I haven't even gotten my shares yet. And now that loss has actually continued to increase. So by the time all this is said and done, I said to the SEC, my concern is that this stock will be worthless before retail investors even get their shares in their account. So I wanted to ask them, is this legal? So I'm just here to vent a little bit because I needed my money. I needed this to be six figures or something close to it. I had a lot of plans with that money, and now those plans are flushed down the toilet because I got screwed over. So I just wanted to, talk about this very quickly, and I want to let people know that If you are invested in Cloudastructure and you have not yet gotten your shares, go ahead and file a complaint with the SEC. Maybe if we blow up their spot enough, they're actually going to take notice. I already filed my complaint, and if this is illegal and the SEC does go after Cloudastructure, um, I will definitely be more than happy to just tell the truth. I mean, I can't be in court in these regular clothes. I don't have a single suit to my name, but if they need me to make a video to say, hey, I got screwed over, yeah, I got screwed over. My losses now are nearing 70,000. I've lost almost all my value without even having a chance to participate in the market. So that's all I really wanted to say. Did you invest in Cloudastructure? How much did you invest? Leave your thoughts and feelings down in the comments below. You know what to do if you want to see more content. The 4 things that you can do in order to make sure that that the channel can grow outside of all this, outside of all the outside forces and the algorithm. You already know. My brain scrambled. Blah.